Hello, how you doing? Hope you're well. On the menu today, bit of a classic, carrot and coriander soup. We're making a vegan, vegetarian version. It is absolutely wonderful, very, very simple. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at this. It's really, really simple. So we've got carrots, potatoes, onion and celery. Now you can really play around with these lot. Obviously you're going to need more carrots than you are the other guys. I like celery in it. Some people don't put that in, so it's not completely necessary. I just like it in there. Fresh cilantro or coriander, and then 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. We're going to start with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper, and I'm just going to use water. You can use some sort of stock if you wanted. Let's get to the cooker. It's really simple. Okay, let's get going. So obviously you're going to need some sort of saucepan or a large pot. We're going to need a lid. Now when I say easy, this is easy. I've got some oil in there. I'm using some olive oil. You could use something else if you wanted. Let's drop in the onion. Let's drop in the celery, which is optional. Let's drop in those potatoes. The potatoes are really going to kind of help it emulsify and get together. Let's add the carrots. Add some salt. Add some black pepper. Add the coriander powder, 1 tablespoon I'm using. Alright, so all of our ingredients are in apart from the cilantro or fresh coriander. 4 to 5 minutes, medium heat. Let's just get this going. So of course the vegetables are still rock hard. All we've done is sort of got it together a little bit. Now, options, garlic. I don't like garlic in this. Lemon, you can get some lemon juice in there, or the zest of a lemon could work in there. I'm keeping it just like this. And like I say, we're now going to add our liquid. I'm using just water. So enough to cover it, and then just a little bit more. If you wanted, you could be using some sort of stock, chicken stock, vegetable stock, any stock you like. But for me, it works just as well with water. In fact, better, I think. I like it just like that, nice and natural. Okay, lid on, high heat, bring it to the boil. Once it reaches boiling point, get it to a kind of rolling boil. What we're looking for is all those vegetables to be super soft. Probably going to be about 20 minutes once we reach boiling point. Okay, off goes the heat. Let me get some steam out of there, it's going to go crazy. There you go. So, really nice and soft, everything's super soft in there. That's where you want it to be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to liquidize it now. Now, I've got one of these guys that go inside, You can have a kind of multi-chef kind of liquidizer thing if you want. Let me do that, and then we're going to come back. If it's too thick, we're going to thin it out a bit with water or stock. Let's take a look. Okay, absolutely wonderful. Now that's thick, but some of you might like it like that. I'm going to add a little bit more. In fact, I'm not actually. I think that's good for me. I think that's good. I'm happy. But if you want, add a little bit more water in there. Now let's drop in that fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. You need to check this for salt now. You might want to add a little bit more salt, or maybe even some pepper. Let's give it one more whiz and we're done. And that's it. Absolutely wonderful. Super, super easy. Vegetarian, vegan, beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.